We see businesses that use spreadsheets are pretty hesitant to move to a CRM system. So can we talk about the importance of bringing business data into Zoho CRM and how that would actually make a difference?
Using spreadsheets to manage business is a matter of convenience for many, although technically it's not.
Yeah.
So we know that creating, updating, and maintaining data in spreadsheets is a task on its own, apart from actually having to perform the business activities.
Right.
So this is where businesses should ideally consider using a CRM system. You can bring in your customer data from your spreadsheet into your Zoho CRM. And what it does is that it lets you distinguish your prospects, existing or new customers, open and close deals, etc., using readily available modules like leads, contacts, deals, and so on. So you can map your customer data respective to each module. Let's face it, right? All businesses won't necessarily fit into this model. So in Zoho CRM, businesses can create their own modules or rename existing modules. This way, they can fit their data exactly how they want to in the CRM system.